हेलो भाई लोग, क्या हालचाल। और आप सभी का सुपर केमिस्ट्री में स्वागत है। तो दोस्तों, आज का टॉपिक जो मैं लाया हूँ वो है जो फार्मा कंपनी में क्वालिटी कंट्रोल डिपार्टमेंट रहता है, उसके जो इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस जो रहते हैं और आंसर क्या है, तो वो इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं। तो कैसे कैसे इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं और उसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए, तो इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं। तो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो को शुरुआत करने से पहले इस वीडियो को एक लाइक करो, शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स में और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करो दोस्तों। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज रूम टेम्परेचर? आंसर, दैट इज 25 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज अल्ट्रावायलेट यूवी एंड विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी रेंज? उसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? यूवी स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी रेंज इज 200 to 400 नैनोमीटर विजिबल and visible spectroscopy range 400 nanometer to 800 nanometer. And question third, what is use of UV spectroscopy? उसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? Spectroscopy is used for detecting the functional groups, impurities, qualitative and quantitative analysis can be done. Question fourth, what is the difference between qualitative and quantitative analysis? Answer, qualitative analysis involves identification of compound or chemical based on their chemical absorption, emission or physical properties. That is, example, melting point, boiling point. And what is quantitative analysis? Involves estimation or determination of concentration or amount of the chemical compounds or components. Question 5th, explain the principle of ultraviolet spectroscopy. Answer, UV spectroscopy use light in the UV part of electromagnetic spectrum. UV absorption spectra arises in which molecule or atom or electrons absorb energy, undergoes transition from lower energy level to higher energy level. For each molecule, absorption at wavelength is specific. Question 6, explain about Beer-Lambert's law. Answer, it states that the intensity of monochromatic light absorbed by the substances dissolved in a fully transmitting solvent is directly proportional to the substance's concentration and the path length of the light through the solution. Question 7, explain the infrared spectroscopy principle. Answer, when a molecule absorbs the infrared radiation, it vibrates and gives rise to packed infrared IR absorption spectrum. This IR spectrum is specific for every different molecule absorbing the IR radiation, useful for its identification. Question 8, what is the body temperature? Answer, 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Question 9, define pH and what is the pH of blood? The pH is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration and blood pH is 7.35 to 7.45. Question 10, expand LCMS, HPLC, UPLC, TLC and GC. Answer, LCMS means liquid chromatography, HPLC high performance liquid chromatography, UPLC ultra high performance liquid chromatography, TLC thin layer chromatography, GC gas chromatography. Question 11, what is the HPLC principle? Answer, it is a technique used for separating the mixture of components into individually components based on absorption, partition, ion exchange, size exclusion principle, stationary phase and mobile phase used in it. HPLC used for identification, quantification and purification of components from a mixture. Question 12, explain HPLC instrumentation. Answer, it involves solvent system, pump, sampler, injector, HPLC columns, detector and recorder. Firstly, solvent mobile phase is degas for emitting the bubbles It is passed through the pump with a uniform pressure. The liquid sample is injected into the mobile phase flow stream. It passes through the stationary phase, identify the detector and recorded. Question 13. In reverse phase, HPLC, which type of stationary phase is used and give example? Answer: non-polar stationary phase used in the reverse. Okay. An example: silica gel C18 column. Question 14. What are the detectors used in HPLC? Answer: UV detector, IR detector, fluorescent detector, and mass spectroscopy and LCMS, etc. Question 15. How to calculate retention factor in paper chromatography? Answer: RF, that is retention factor, distance traveled by solute upon distance traveled by solvent. Question 16. Define molarity. Answer: number of moles of solute per liter solution denoted with m. Question 17. Define molarity. Answer: number of moles of solute per kilogram solvent denoted with m. Question 18. Define normality. Answer: number of moles equivalent per liter solution. Question 19. Molecular weight of oxygen, that is answer 60. Question 20. Difference between humidity and relative humidity. Answer: humidity means measure of amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere, and relative humidity, water vapor amount exists in air expressed as percentage of the amount needed for saturation at the same temperature.